Okay. So very good afternoon to one and all children. Hope you all are fine. Now in the okay, yes, good afternoon. So now what we will do is we'll just have a small recap. Okay. After the recap, we will do with a new topic. Now before that, I would like to ask you the question that is, what is environment conservation? I did not tell you to open the book. I have asked you the question, what is environment conservation? Why you want page number? I have not told you to open the book only. बुक ओपन करने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको. आई एम आस्किंग यू द क्वेश्चन. हाँ, प्लीज टेल मी. Yes, correct. Who is this? Who has given me the? Thank you, Saurabh. Now tell me up about natural resources. Okay, so can anybody just tell me some of the natural resources? Can anybody? Okay, okay. So good. The answer is correct. So these are the some of the natural resources. So what will happen if we do not use this natural resources properly? Means if we start polluting, what will happen? Can anybody tell me what will happen if we do not use these natural resources in a proper manner? It will get destroyed. Okay. Okay. So, can anybody tell me some of the steps how we can control air pollution? How we can control the air pollution? Some of the steps. What steps or what measures we have to take to control the air pollution? Okay. And okay. And we should plant more and more trees. Okay. And anything else? Okay. Now tell me some of the measures of controlling about the water pollution. How we can control fertilizers in farming. Okay. One way, another way. Hmm. Don't read from the book. Tell me about your own answers. Yeah, one of the thing. Then where should we throw the waste? Now you, yes, we have to not make the cows and means all the animals to. No, we should stop the bathing of the animals in the water. Okay, fine. Now tell me, if now one of the child told me we should not throw the waste materials into the river. So where we should throw? Okay, in dustbin. In the dustbin. Okay, fine. So till here everything is clear to everybody till controlling about the water pollution. Okay. Now tell me, what is soil pollution? Okay, fine. So this we had not done also. So we will be starting the topic that is the controlling of soil pollution. Now, soil pollution is also known as land pollution. Okay, it is also known as land pollution because what is soil? Can anybody just tell me? Where do you find the soil? That is land. The topmost layer of the earth is called as soil, isn't it? So soil where the plants grow. Okay, that is also there. If you throw like that way only, it is soil pollution. All the garbage and all. If you throw on the into the soil, it is soil pollution. But there are two different types. Now, what we will see how we can control this soil pollution. So, soil pollution is also known as land pollution, and as as someone said, कि we have to not throw the garbage on the roads and all like that way only. We have to keep it into the we have to throw all the garbage into the dustbins. Now we have two separate things, that is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Now what is this? I'll tell you. There are bins. Can you see the colorful bins in your book? Huh. So there are yellow, blue, red, black, and there is green also, but it is not being given into your textbook, but green also will be there. So these bins are to dispose the garbage. So particular type of garbage we have to dispose in the particular bin color. Okay. So biodegradable substances are those one that can be broken down by the bacteria and observed by the soil. Now, for example, I'll tell you. Now we eat the vegetables and all. Your mother will get the vegetables from the market. Huh? Like I'll tell you one example, that is fenugreek. Okay. Now what she will do with that fenugreek? She will take on the leaves, little bit stems, and the roots which are there. She has to throw that. They are of no use, isn't it? Or do you all use the roots of the fenugreeks to prepare the vegetable? Do you do that? No, isn't it? So that vegetable waste, okay, that can be put into the soil. What will happen after that? That can be uh, that can be absorbed by the soil. So this type of things, that is vegetable waste, these type of waste are called as biodegradable. Who is this now? Who is coming now? Basavraj Nandi. This is Shreyas Nandi, I think so. Okay, so these type of waste which we throw into the soil. Okay, you can put these type of waste even in your pot also. After sometimes they start decaying and they will become the manure into your pots. So these can be broken by the bacteria and absorbed by the soil. And what are the non-biodegradable substances like plastic, which do not plastic your any plastic bags, plastic bottles, anything which is made up of plastic, if you throw it into the soil, what happens? That does not decompose into the soil naturally. So there are big big machines, okay, which will be these all things are being kept put into that machine and then it is being recycled like that. Okay, so you can't throw these type of things onto the soils, into the soil. So what now for biodegradable garbage to put, what they have done is, what you can do is, in your garden, if you have a big garden, okay, not everybody, big garden, what you can do is you can build a pit. Okay, pit, you know ना, everybody knows what is the meaning of pit. पिट का मतलब पता है क्या सबको? Yes children, do you know the meaning of pit? पिट का मतलब क्या है? हाँ, a big Yes. So you can put that, you can build a pit to decompose all the biodegradable garbage. Means whatever is been, whatever food you prepare, if it is left out, that also if you put it into the that pit, after some days it will decompose and it will get absorbed by the soil. So it increases the soil fertility in this long run. What happens sometimes due to the heavy rains or strong winds, what will happen? The topmost layer of the soil is being washed away. So the soil which is will lose humus. Okay, so what will happen if that happens? The soil will become infertile. So if you use these type of biodegradable garbage into the compost pits, you can use this as you can increase the fertility of the soil by putting these type of manure. So this is one thing how we can control. Then uh, the garbage. Now you must have noticed every day there is one corporation's vehicle will come to each and every house. For what? For giving the garbage. You have to give your all the waste things of your household to the that vehicle, isn't it? Do they come or no? What is the song played there? Can anybody tell me? How you'll understand that that vehicle only is come? The corporation vehicles, there is a particular song which they play. One more, and this is one, and some one more song is there, which they play. Which one? आपके घर के पास आता नहीं है गाड़ी वाला? तो कुछ बोलता है वो. There is a particular song which they play. One is what he said, Swachh Bharat ka irada. Some one more song. और भी कुछ है गाना जो बोलता है. हाँ? Okay. I'll tell you one. Okay, you just search this and you tell me. Okay. कल बताएंगे? Yes, correct. This is the song. गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल. Okay, these are the two songs which have been played onto that vehicle, and that vehicle will go to every house every day. And that time, what you need to do is you need to give the all the garbage from your house to that vehicle. So then think now every day. Now these people, how many people have been corrected to our meeting today? 34 of them. So 34 people do not live in one house. They have different location of their houses, isn't it? So every day that vehicle will come to each and every people's house, isn't it? So think what will they do with this, all the garbage which they have collected from each and every house? What they do, there is one landfill site. Now, what is this landfill site? I'll tell you where they dispose all the waste materials by burying it into that landfill site. So these type of sites should be outside the city. मतलब outskirt होना चाहिए city के. If it is into the city, what will happen? Can anybody tell me? Just think and tell me. हाँ. And even you will get the bad smells also. So these are the things. So it should be always these landfill sites should be outside the city, means outskirt of the city. So this is one thing, you have to not throw the garbage anywhere. You have to give the garbage to the person who comes every day to your house, isn't it? This is one thing where we can control the soil pollution. Then these are the garbage which we spoke about, which are there from the household. Now, tell me one thing. There are n number of hospitals in Belgaum city, isn't it? They are or no? हाँ, बहुत सारे हॉस्पिटल्स हैं बेलगाम में. Hospitals है, small clinics also are there. So whenever you go to the doctor, and yes, and you are not well, okay, you need to take an injection. Okay, after injecting you, what will happen to that injection? नहीं नहीं नहीं, अब वो हो गया. हाँ, पेन तो डेफिनेटली होता है. What will happen to that injection, which means that syringe and all, na? They've injected you. Now you can't use that syringe once more. You have to dispose it, isn't it? मतलब उसको फेंक ही देना है ना. तो where will that type of garbage, मतलब वो जो उसे कहते हैं बायोमेडिकल, जो भी डिस्पोज करना है हमको, ओके, that is not being thrown. That gadi wala aaya ho, that fellow is there, no, he will not go to that hospitals and all. So there is one different vehicle, means who is related to this biomedical. What they do, they dispose these type of garbage, means whatever that syringe, उसके बाद में saline, whatever ever they give salines, those all bottles, those all plastic wires and all, they have to dispose those type of garbage in three different colors. There are three different colors. Unfortunately, I am not able to share you the PPT. Otherwise, I would have shown you the three colors and in which dustbin they have to put what type of uh, materials, like these syringe, then saline bottles, these all in one dustbin, and then small like cotton is there, huh? Whatever, wherever someone is met with an accident, after that they will do that dressing and all. That type of garbage will be in one dustbin. So there are three types of dustbins. Whenever we meet next time, I will show you the PPT because I'm not able to share you right now the PPT. So these type of biomedical dispose also, you have to dispose in a proper dustbin only. So these are all about the controlling soil pollution. Next, till here everybody is okay. Is there anybody who has not understood the topics? Yes. Anushka Nayak, your attendance will be automatically captured. Okay. Next, conserving biodiversity. Now, what is this forest conservation? Now, what do you mean by forest conservation? Can anybody tell me? Just one thing. You all are able to hear me, na? तो मुझे why you all are not giving me any answer? What is the meaning of forest conservation? Okay, what do you? Okay, what is needed for you to breathe? You breathe carbon dioxide, you breathe nitrogen, you breathe oxygen. What do you breathe? Everybody, definitely, it's oxygen. Okay. From where do you get this oxygen? From this oxygen cylinders? Yes. So, okay, if we get the oxygen, yes, if we get the oxygen from plants and trees, then what we have to do? We have to cut down or we have to plant them. Plant more and more trees, and we have to not cut them. So this is one of the important thing that we get from the plants, that is not only the oxygen, but even we depend on the plants for the food also, isn't it? And again, what does these plants help us for? No, photosynthesis is something different, child. I'm not because they do their photosynthesis to prepare their food. Okay, I'm telling you for us what they do again, due to the plants, what benefits we get. Okay, fine, हाँ, this is okay, हाँ, उसके अलावा और again, okay, fine, again, हाँ, again और okay, और नहीं, these are all conditions, मतलब आ गया, ये सब हो गया, and what is छाव? Okay, shadow, शेड, हाँ, ये हो गया, ये सब नहीं, और अभी बात किया हम लोग ने, जस्ट लास्ट टॉपिक एंड आई स्पोक टू यू, लास्ट टॉपिक only I spoke to you. Okay, fine, I'll tell you. If you plant, see, now one example I will give you. There is a land, it means open land, okay? Open land where there is nothing, means no plants. And there is one more land filled with some of the plants and trees, okay? Understand? Huh? Listen carefully. I'm asking you the question. There is one land which is open, there are no trees, no plants, nothing, it's open. Another side, on the other hand side, there is a land filled with plants and trees. Now tell me, heavy rains are coming. Okay, the rains are too heavy. What is the difference between both the land? वेट, हाँ, रेन विल कम हैवीली, ओके फाइन, लेकिन दोनों तरफ भी बहुत सारा हैवी रेन हो रहा है नाउ टेल मी व्हाट विल हैपन टू द लैंड, बोथ द लैंड, नोबडी, ओके, no, no, what will happen, I'll tell you. The topmost soil, the topmost soil where there are plants will not get eroded. There they will not happen, soil erosion will not happen there where there are plants, because due to the roots of the plant, the topsoil will be secured. But where there are no plants, due to the heavy rains and have strong winds, what will happen? The topmost layer, that is the soil, the fertility of the soil will be washed away. So soil erosion can happen there on that other side of the land. Okay. So the land should not be open. There should be some plants to prevent the soil erosion and even the floods also. Okay, अगर open space है तो what, whenever there is floods, what will happen? The water will run fast. If there are trees and all, what will happen? What will happen there? Absorb little bit of water. Yeah. As now, as you all said, ki what do we get from the forest? Like everybody's told me a number of things, that is medicinal plants, timber, and then fruits, vegetables. So these are one thing what we get from the forest. Then one more thing, as we live, everybody live in our own houses. Even these, these plants, this forest is a home for our wild animals, isn't it? That is the home for many wild animals. So forest conservation is very important for us. We have to take care of our forest. We should not cut down the trees. Instead, we have to plant more and more trees. So, for that, I think so. In the last year, I had 31 days there for that. What is that day called as? Vana Mohotsava. Now, what is this Vana Mohotsava? In Vana Mohotsava, that day the plants will be planted more. So one day it has been given apart from these days event like Vana Mohotsava and Environmental Day. Now, Environment Day, World Environment Day will be every time is been celebrated on 5th of June. When it is being celebrated 5th of June. So these are the things with how we can conserve the forest. In the next class, we will be learning wildlife conservation, eco-friendly practice, the 3 R's. Okay, that is the reduce, reuse and recycle. At what time your class will get over, children? Next class you have at 1:10? No, 1:10 I think so. See, 1:10 it will start. Okay, so shall we do these two topics or shall we continue in the next class? Because only 5 minutes are there and I won't be. Okay, okay. It is only a little bit. That is the forest conservation. As I told you, that is the many. Uh, uh, Forest is a home for many wildlife. So wildlife conservation. Now we'll just see how to save the animals. Just like forest, we need to protect our wildlife also, isn't it? Or no? Huh. Why? Because they also complement us in many several ways. Now, what might be that? How they are useful to us. Okay, I'll tell you. Now, rearing of animals, isn't it farm animals like what cow, buffalo, ox, and then the hen is there, and many other animals which the rural people know that is their main occupation, isn't it? So we depend on the animals for some of the food also, which is this wool is there, woolen sweater, woolen cap, woolen socks, isn't it? Then leather shoes, leather belt, leather bag. So leather from where we get this leather? From the animals, isn't it? Medicines also. Yes, and medicines also we get from the animals. Many of the fish and all, we use fishes for the medicinal use also. So they act as means of transport, and for us, isn't it? If we want to come from one place to another, before what they used to do, they used to take these animals only, and they used to go. Now bullock cart is there. Now still also many of the rural people use that bullock cart, and then donkey, and then horse, isn't it? Camels. So we have to prevent them. Then there are some life there wildlife sanctuaries are there. There are many. Can anybody just read out that part? And one more main important thing, you must have seen many of the people go into the forest and hunt animals. Actually, that is not allowed. Okay, so we have to protect the animals. The government has set up national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and all. So there are many. Now, what is this eco-friendly practices, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. These are the 3 R's. Okay, so you can summarize this very clearly by remembering the 3 R's, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Now what does reduce? Reduce means we have to avoid what is harmful for these all of the pollutions what we learn, like avoiding plastic bags because they do not get decomposed fast. So instead of plastic bags, we can use the paper bags. Then we should not burn the firecrackers because they even cause the noise pollution and the air pollution. Whenever we are not using the lights, we have to switch off the lights and fans and whatever all the electrical appliances. So whenever we are not using the tap, we have to put it off. So instead of using the car and bikes, we have to use cycle so that it will reduce the air pollution. So this is some of the things we can reduce. What is the meaning of reuse? Reuse means some things which we can reuse. So now there are many things which we dispose, means we do not. You must have seen best of the waste. Many of the times teachers give you the activity as best of the waste. I think so in the last year I had shown you the activity about the uh, birds feeder. Now if you want to feed the birds, you can use the plastic bottle which is not in use. Okay, so this type of things we can reuse the things. Now there are many foods which comes in the can, isn't it, tin can. What we can do, we can plant trees, plant their plants, small plants which can uh, grow there. So this type of things you can reuse. So this is called as reuse and recycle. Now, what is the meaning of recycle? Now, many a times, there are reuse means. I'll tell you. Now, cardboard is there. It is of no use. You can reuse that card, which is being used already for making chart. You can use that cardboard for any other thing. Now, making the new products from an old ones to prevent its wastage. Now it must not waste, so you can use it once more. So here we have finished with the lesson, that is the conservation of environment. So if you have any doubts, you can put the doubts into the doubt sections, and you can start writing the difficult spellings of this. Fill in the blanks, match the following, true or false, read the lesson and then afterwards only, and answer the following in few words. I will be giving you only the answer the following in details. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.